Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the something went wrong error when upgrading to Windows 11 version 25H2. First, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to System, then select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update in the list and click Run. Windows will now scan for common update problems and try to repair them automatically. When the scan finishes, restart your computer and try the upgrade again. Next, check the free space on your system drive. Windows upgrades need enough storage to download and install files. Open File Explorer and click on this PC. Look at the C drive and make sure you have at least 20 to 30 gigabytes of free space. Another common cause is third-party antivirus software. Some antivirus programs can block the upgrade process. If you are using one, temporarily disable its protection. If the problem still continues, try upgrading with the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Open your browser and go to the official Microsoft website. Download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant tool. After the download is complete, run the file and follow the instructions on the screen. The tool will guide you through the upgrade process and install the latest version of Windows. After completing these steps, most upgrade errors should be resolved. Thanks for watching.